So good morning. This video we are going to discuss about plumber block assembly. So for doing to draw the plumber block assembly, go over here, select the assemble, then go and retrieve the file from the where you save. So first I am going to bring the body part. So after bringing the body part, I am going to bring the bearing bottom off. So in the bearing bottom off, first I am going to select this one as well as this particular surface, okay, and also inside this as well as this one, so it won't match it. So now going to select the other surfaces, even this one. So after that I am going to rotate, so rotate with this surface, and even I am going to select here as this surface. So it is comes in the opposite direction, so I am going to give flick, so it has to be assembled over here. Then give fit. Then again I am going to bring the next component as a bearing top off. Bring that bearing top off, select assemble. So above this particular surface has to be placed, and from this has to be aligned, and axial alignment along with this it has to be joined over here. So and comes into the next one, the cap. So go and select the cap, bring the cap and place over here, select the this one. So top of this bottom of this particular place has to be placed, and again here the another side I am going to choose, and from this has to be placed, and even we will try it this one. So it has to be assembled over here. So once if assemble these things, remaining things we have certain idea to do this. So for that I am going to bring first a bolt M10, select, and from first initially going to rotate. So this particular surface in this one has to be placed in the opposite side. So I am going to give flip, then axial alignment. So after done the axial alignment I am going to zoom these particular things, okay. So after zooming, going to rotate for required view. So select rotate option, and I am going to select this one as well as here. This is the surface. So because in between the plane is coming, so that it won't select this particular surfaces. So going to give fit, okay. So then I am going to rotate, see now this surface I am going to given, so automatically it has to be aligned over there. So even this alignment it can give or not, it's not a issue. So if you are not given also it will be work anyhow, so it will be look good. So that done. So then again I am going to give bolt, so the other side. So first I am going to select this surface as well as this one, then give us a flip because opposite side has to be comes. Then I am going to select as a that mid one, this hole as well as this one, and comes to select this particular surface, and now also the same problem. So I am going to turn this, okay. So right click, then this particular surface, so it has to be turned over there, so aligned to the particular surfaces. Then going to give fit, so like I'm going to rotate this. So after rotating this, going to bring the another one. So first initially if you see the component, so first will be the body part, bearing bottom up, bearing top up, and cap, bolt we have fixed. So if you see the nut, first it will be a lock nut, so having the small depth, and bigger nut it comes as a up. So that is the thing I have to bring over there. Okay, so select nut, lock nut. So lock nut has to be placed over above this one, and going to give flip, so it comes up. So this I am going to select, and this one, so the axle element is to be over. So again I am going to bring the nut over here. So select assemble, top of this, and this has to be placed, and axle of this one. So actually what happens, select assemble, so both the things it will be aligned over here, this as well as this one. Going to give flip, so it will come up, so this you can select. So then this as well as the axle alignment. So almost the surfaces it will be similar to same, so we can leave it. Then again I am going to bring a lock nut over here, select assemble from here, this one I am going to give flip, it comes up, then axle alignment, this one. So this has to be assembled, and finally the nut. So assemble, so top of assemble, top surface of, so okay, this one, and surfaces it is not selecting, so rotate. So this is the surface and bottom of the nut, this is the nut, so it has to be assembled. After that this and this surface has to be comes in the straight. So even that you can do, not do also, it will work, so it's not an issue. Then so what are all the things, bearing bottom, top, body, bolt, cap, lock nut. Only thing is remaining is the shaft, where the shaft has to be fixed in the middle. So that is the last 8th component. So I am going to bring assemble, so here, and top from this one, so which one has to be comes, even this surface. So the assemble has to be done over here. So after assemble this, I am going to save as a the assemble one. I'm going to save as assemble one. So then the next thing is the converting 2D drawings. So create drawing, give OK, select next, go to your front, custom. So as usual it is in the front view only, so no worry in that. So then select the top view and side view and trimetric view. So all these 3 views I am going to select and give finish, going to place over here. So after placing this, I am going to change the sheet setup. Go to the sheet setup, give A4, show background off, give OK. So this I am going to move over here. So according to that I am going to place. Okay, suppose this length I am going to convert into 1:50.1050. So it has to be changed into the smaller one. So I am going to try to fix this component inside. Okay, inside the sheet. Okay, so this I am going to bring over here. So now going to give fit. Even this also you can change it the scale value, then go and select the cutting plane. So if I want to make the section view in the top front view, going to select cutting plane. I am going to draw in the top view. I am going to draw the sectional view in the top view, so I am going to select the cutting plane in the front view. Okay, so select a cutting plane. So from full sectional view I am going to make over here. So from here, so select cutting plane. So first I am going to select the where I am going to make top view, then I am going to draw a line exactly in the middle and coming out, finish. It will be asking this side. So then go to here, section view. So this I am going to place over here. So the sectional view has to be created over here. After that, go over here, select the particular 3D drawing, isometric drawing, give this solid part, then come over here, give the update. So this has to be updated. So like this way we are going to do the assembling. So this has to be I am going to save as a assemble on draft. Okay, here one point you have to remember, this is the converting of 2D views. Here the 3D view also has to be come over here. So you have to give the two printouts. One is the 2D printout that contains of front and top, whatever they are asking in the question. Then next one is the 3D view. So that is the isometric view that it comes over here. So like this way you have to create this particular assembling over here. Okay, so after that you can save and you can close that one.